Okay, so turn it like this. Fold it so that the corners meet. Also, we want to fold it this way. Then we unfold. And then we fold the top down to the center. Then we fold the bottom to the top. Then you see this line. Well, anyway, there's a fold line right here. And you're going to fold it up to that line. Like that. And repeat on the other side. Then you have a really pointy pixely heart. But in order to fix that, you just fold it down here, 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 and here.